QB goes through an enormous number of pointe shoes in a year, about 2,500 pairs, which averages out to be about 50 pairs a week, and that number is growing as the company grows. Each production has things about it that are equally fabulous and rewarding, because when you're making shows from scratch, it's just the whole process of working with the rest of the creative team and doing all of that research and coming up with the ideas, and then seeing it sort of come together and finally on stage is just an amazing experience in itself, and seeing people enjoying it.
Thank you to all of our valued donors who supported Queensland Ballet's Pointe Shoe appeal so far this year. When I joined Queensland Ballet, I started the ritual of numbering my pointe shoes to keep track, and I'm now up to pair 358. Knowing that the shoes I dance in have been supported by a donor makes performing in them extra special, and I know it's a feeling that's shared by the whole company. We are so grateful to all of you who support our ballet wardrobe. Your donations enable Queensland Ballet to continue to thrive and pursue our vision of being one of the best ballet companies in the world, both on and off stage. For the love of ballet, thank you.